Hello and welcome. Get set for 30 amazing challenges that will test your understanding. Not subscribed yet? Join our community today to access new quizzes every week, engaging educational content, and a fun learning experience. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. What is an example of a renewable resource? Coal, solar energy, petrol, the correct answer is solar energy. Here's an interesting fact: renewable resources, like solar energy, can be naturally replenished over time. What is an example of a non-renewable resource? Wind, water, oil. The correct answer is oil. Here's an interesting fact: oil is a fossil fuel that takes millions of years to form and cannot be replaced quickly. Which of these is a cause of air pollution? Planting trees, burning fossil fuels, using solar panels. The correct answer is burning fossil fuels. Here's an interesting fact: burning coal, oil, and gas releases harmful gases that pollute the air. Which energy source does not cause pollution? Wind power, coal, gasoline. The correct answer is wind power. Here's an interesting fact: wind energy is clean and does not release harmful gases into the air. What is the main cause of climate change? Recycling, using too much electricity, greenhouse gas emissions. The correct answer is greenhouse gas emissions. Here's an interesting fact: carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases trap heat, causing climate change. How can we reduce plastic pollution? Throwing plastic in the ocean, recycling and reusing plastic, burning plastic. The correct answer is recycling and reusing plastic. Here's an interesting fact: recycling helps reduce plastic waste and protects the environment. What happens when too much carbon dioxide is in the air? The earth cools down, the temperature rises, the air becomes cleaner. The correct answer is the temperature rises. Here's an interesting fact: excess carbon dioxide traps heat, leading to global warming. What is deforestation? Cutting down large areas of trees, planting new forests, recycling paper. The correct answer is cutting down large areas of trees. Here's an interesting fact: deforestation removes trees, reducing oxygen and harming wildlife habitats. Which action helps protect wildlife? Throwing waste in rivers, creating national parks, cutting down forests. The correct answer is creating national parks. Here's an interesting fact: national parks protect wildlife and provide a safe habitat for animals. What can people do to save electricity? Leave lights on all day. Use energy-saving bulbs. Keep appliances running all night. The correct answer is, use energy-saving bulbs. Here's an interesting fact: LED bulbs use less energy and last longer than traditional bulbs. Why is recycling important? It creates more waste. It helps conserve natural resources. It makes the earth dirty. The correct answer is, it helps conserve natural resources. Here's an interesting fact: recycling reduces waste and saves materials like paper, metal, and plastic. What happens when ice caps melt due to climate change? Sea levels rise. Deserts expand. More rain falls. The correct answer is, sea levels rise. Here's an interesting fact: melting ice caps add water to the oceans, causing sea levels to rise. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect? Oxygen. Carbon dioxide. Nitrogen. The correct answer is, carbon dioxide. Here's an interesting fact: carbon dioxide traps heat in the atmosphere, leading to global warming. What is a simple way to reduce water pollution? Throwing trash in rivers. Using eco-friendly products. Pouring chemicals into drains. The correct answer is, using eco-friendly products. Here's an interesting fact: eco-friendly products reduce harmful chemicals in water bodies. What is the main cause of ocean pollution? Fishing. Plastic waste. Solar energy. The correct answer is, plastic waste. Here's an interesting fact: plastic waste in the ocean harms marine life and pollutes the water. What is composting? Burning trash. Recycling plastic. Turning organic waste into soil nutrients. The correct answer is, turning organic waste into soil nutrients. Here's an interesting fact: composting turns food and plant waste into natural fertilizer for plants. Which of these is a way to save water? Leaving taps running. Fixing leaks. Using more water for no reason. The correct answer is, fixing leaks. Here's an interesting fact: fixing leaks and turning off taps save water and reduce waste. What is one way to reduce deforestation? Using less paper. Cutting more trees. Burning forests. The correct answer is, using less paper. Here's an interesting fact: reducing paper use helps save trees and forests. What happens when too many fish are caught from the ocean? The ocean gets cleaner. Fish populations decrease. More fish appear. The correct answer is, fish populations decrease. Here's an interesting fact: overfishing reduces fish populations and disrupts the ocean ecosystem. Which type of energy is non-polluting? Nuclear energy, wind energy, coal energy. The correct answer is wind energy. Here's an interesting fact: wind energy is a clean and renewable source of power. What should be done with old electronic devices? Throw them in the trash. Recycle them properly. Burn them. The correct answer is, recycle them properly. Here's an interesting fact: recycling old electronics prevents harmful chemicals from polluting the environment. Why should we use public transport more often? To increase traffic. To save fuel and reduce pollution. To spend more money. The correct answer is, to save fuel and reduce pollution. Here's an interesting fact: public transport reduces the number of cars on the road, lowering pollution. What is one way to reduce air pollution? Using electric cars. Burning more coal. Cutting down trees. The correct answer is, using electric cars. Here's an interesting fact: electric cars produce no emissions, reducing air pollution. Why is it important to plant more trees? Trees provide oxygen. Trees cause pollution. Trees make less rain. The correct answer is, trees provide oxygen. Here's an interesting fact: trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, improving air quality. Which of these is an effect of climate change? Stable temperatures. Stronger hurricanes. Less extreme weather. The correct answer is, stronger hurricanes. Here's an interesting fact: climate change increases extreme weather events like hurricanes and heat waves. What does biodegradable mean? Something that never breaks down. Something that breaks down naturally. Something made of metal. The correct answer is, something that breaks down naturally. Here's an interesting fact: biodegradable materials decompose naturally without harming the environment. What is one way to reduce food waste? Throwing away leftovers. Buying only what you need. Cooking too much food. The correct answer is, buying only what you need. Here's an interesting fact: buying only what is needed prevents excess food waste. What happens when forests are destroyed? More oxygen is produced. animals lose their homes. The earth gets cooler. The correct answer is, animals lose their homes. Here's an interesting fact: deforestation destroys animal habitats, leading to loss of biodiversity. What can we do to reduce land pollution? Littering in parks. Throwing trash in rivers. Proper waste disposal and recycling. The correct answer is proper waste disposal and recycling. Here's an interesting fact: proper waste management keeps the environment clean and safe. Which of these is an example of a sustainable action? Using plastic bags. Using reusable shopping bags. Wasting paper. The correct answer is using reusable shopping bags. Here's an interesting fact: reusable bags reduce plastic waste and pollution. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.